In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to build and expand a detailed sermon outline. I start by typing a prompt to establish ChatGPT as my sermon assistant, asking it to help me create structured outlines with biblical foundations and clear calls to action. I click send, and the AI provides a comprehensive template that covers everything from the title and opening hook to the final application. It even generates a short example about trusting God to demonstrate how the template looks in practice. Next, I type a more specific request for a complete sermon outline on the topic of overcoming fear through faith, ensuring I ask for 3 main points with supporting scriptures. Once I hit send, ChatGPT generates a deep, faith-based outline using Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10 as the core scripture. The response highlights how God's presence drives out fear and provides a clear, organized roadmap for the entire message. To add more detail, I ask the AI to expand on the second main point, focusing on how our faith should be directed toward God instead of our fears. I click the button to generate, and it delivers a full teaching section complete with a practical illustration about focus and a list of actionable steps for the congregation. This process makes it incredibly easy to turn a simple idea into a well-developed and impactful sermon. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.